Rero ni rituko rinene ry'okubacengera abaengineer ensengima hasebono ekiombe ky'abaengineer gya Institution of Engineers of Kenya orosagia rwa Nyanza nigo gyatwara umusangirekano obo w'umwaka ase skuru y'obubundi ya Kisii.
Abo asebono banyora ribaga ry'okuru bosemia nese gituguchi asaborkiwa bari bagosomera obo engineers skuru yo nonya nabo nigo bono bateba buna ensi ya Kenya nigegendrete kuira ebitambukiro by'amagendero gwetera ase emeremo yobo engineer ase sector muri kitu Clifford warenga sayo robotiro ya senchero wikera
tariki cy'umutinyo gatatu na tariki cyengenjo asaba engineer sensengima ekyarneli tukoba kusangerekanamo erigo cengera emeremo yabo asobwamo asekyombe ky'aba engineer ba Kenya orosage rwa Nyanza nigo batwara umusangerekano abo ase skuli y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic abo asekirenga cy'umwaka oyo gakyarenge smart engineering for sustainable through innovation and digitalization. Abo ase aborkigwa urwa ase skuru y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic banyora libaga lyogosemigwa iguru y'emirimo yabo.
Today we were celebrating the World Engineers Day. The theme was smart engineering through innovation and digitalization. So we are here at Kisii Polytechnic. We had a procession in the morning and later some discussion on thematic areas based on our theme, and thereafter we had a mentorship session with the engineering student at the Kisii Polytechnic.
Yago kuana nabaralia maiga yago koro musangerekano yo nigo engineer Owen Munene oyoro munyakira kubwe kyombe kya IK orosagia rwa Nyanza niga singere buna ki sector ao nigo chikogenderera gwetera ase emeremo yaba engineer.
Smart engineering, and this smart engineering is an aspect that covers a lot of issues that are solving mankind solutions, starting from the energy security, be it electricity, be it access to energy for the households. We are also looking at transport systems which are very critical for transformation of our nation, the roads, the bridges, and all manner of transport which are part of the engineering, and we are looking at smart engineering solutions.
Nanyana boni gate birubuna ensi ya Kenya nigegendrete buya asikisemo abo asaba engineer ba kwasuri enseme nene yokweneke buna magenderero nkweneke gwale unokoretse jibara nebintu binde byekerero byokore mirimo.
Our country is trying to embrace those smart systems. I think we have had some case studies in Nairobi where smart systems in transport are being done. When you come to water, we know we have had a number of institutions that are employing smart sensors to do water management. We've had a few water companies where we have almost now zero non-revenue water because of the technologies that we are using, modern technologies. When we come to energy securities, we are having things like SCADA, which have already penetrated into our grids. We have smart grids. We have the issue of IoT, which is already coming into our system, and various other systems that are also coming in. And we are sure that as we move on, we are able to get into the space of smart engineering as a country, since we have the resource and we have the people, so we are able to get into that.
Egati ya baroki gwa bubekera naso musangerekano yo nigo bagokera obosemi bubaegwa gotababuna nigo borachiko bakonya asekerenge kanene.
I'm a student and KNB student, na leo ilikuwa World Engineering Day, na for sure tumeenjoy sana. It was a really good day na penye tumefunzwa, we have learned a lot.
Eradi wanda no mogo kabisa so gochengera litukegia aba engineer sengima igo twachengere tugwata mogoko ende togotabya bantu bonse ekosi yoko bokonerera gokonye ende twabalije ndimonse ase school yetu ya Kisii National Polytechnic.
Nabono nigo yategere asa abantu bonse kubwaterera obukoreri bwa engineer mensi ya Kenya eri ensi yogendere gosuka bosyo asobwango inguripotere Nsoko TV kurwasa bogatagati mu Chobosonge county ya Kisii Ritariane Wycliffe Orenge.